Surfers Beasts. Today, I'm going to show you the new Iceland update. First, I'm in tag team, and I just died. Anyways, I'll take care of it later. Oh yeah, there's no code bonus anymore. And I also saw this KDBBM video. Watch him. He's nice. He's a beast. Now guys, let's show you Iceland. First, let's see all the footage of Iceland. And I wasted pretty good score boosters. So I'm going to have to run 30 multiplier. And I wasted score boosters in like the tag team, so that's sad. I'm going to have to get 600,000 points without any score boosters of any type. Now, Iceland actually looks pretty good. It actually looks like pops. Like those ice cream kind of pops. That's the kind of tokens you need to get. I just got a token. Now, this time you have more opportunities to get stuff. On each multiple of 10 you can get a new kind of stuff. Usually it's only 20 and 30, but now it's 10, 20 and 30. So I can get that board easily. And I'm also worked hard in Super Runners. In fact, I did the whole stage 1 yesterday that it's not even going to unlock until I pay 400 keys or 4 hours are done. Top run for me is horrible. There's a cheater. And now it looks like the cheater got different points. Earlier it was only 99999. I was actually in top place. But then I got kicked out of champion where I can get 15,000 coins, and I got into gold because that guy was cheating. It's not fair. I deserve something. But I consider myself the true champion of that week. Well, until someone comes and beats me. Really, not like cheating. Because I know how Subway Surfers Beasts are there. Now, I'm almost done with the tour. As soon as I finish the word hunt, I'm done with the tour. Now, Iceland looks pretty good, and it's realistic things also look pretty realistic. I mean, man, it looks good. I don't know how Surfers designed this. I wonder how it would look for if they had San Jose, where I live in. Too bad it's too close to San Francisco. Maybe Los Angeles. Okay, word hunt is complete. So, okay, 1 key. Anyways, now let's go to events. Oh, right. Anyways, now let me show you real stuff. The shop. Boomtastic has smooth drift. And that works out for Fresh. Fresh looks good. Super Road Fresh looks good. Frosty outfit of Clementine. I'd like to get Bijarki because that is needed. And then, let's see our hunt. See, I told you, 10, there's this boost board. 20, there's Clementine. 30, there's Frosty outfit. And another Tuesday has come, which will end in sadness. I'm not even trying. Let's go to tag team. I'm gonna get some points. I'm technically negative coins right now. Technically, why I'm saying negative coins is because I need 210,000 coins to get to 1, to get to 0. Because I'm going to use those coins. I'll need them. So I can upgrade everything. Every single thing will be fully upgraded if I do that. So, what do you say we do a no coin challenge was after I get this, and Monday Mysterizer is still there. Whatever, let me just take this jetpack. I need to get 60,000 points. No, I mean 600,000 points. Because it's so slow multiplier. 60 multiplier? Oh god, this is super slow. How am I expecting to get to 600,000 like this? And if I have to continue, I cannot continue like this. I'm gonna have to get 1,000,000 points after that. Okay, good. I needed that. So, I can get 80 multiplier. It's gonna turn to 60 pretty soon. It's not that advantageous. Okay, let's get to 500,000. Okay, good. Now we have a long way to go. And at this rate, at this kind of small multiplier, it's going to take way more than 10 minutes. Because I wasn't advantageous. After barely getting any him. Now, at least I upgraded my 2x to 30. But I didn't upgrade my jetpack. Oh yeah, forgot. Random board is trickster. And my hoverboard time is not being used. Huh, it's fun on the trickster board. Yes, I forgot to tell you, I got the trickster board. Ah, it's nice. Random boards. Okay, my board is not even being used. I keep getting random boards. So now, at least most of my time is going to be on this board. Oh, my multiplier is high. Nice. I want a 40 multiplier to go a little bit faster. Too bad it's not going to take me all the way. If I got like 45, I could have got to 90. It's got like a 35 multiplier, and then I could have got the... Yeah, I don't know why I wasted that. Okay, so I have like a lot of super sneakers though. So if you really think about it, I don't need to upgrade it. Since really, in reality, I have a lot of super sneakers. I already have super sneakers on my board. But why not just upgrade it? And then I'll have even more super sneakers on me. I don't even know how I got here by now. It's going to take like 10 minutes since every 1,000 you have to get like... Guys, let me show you something. You can double jump over trains. You just have to double jump 2 times. Technically, super sneakers quadruple you jump. This is actually 40. That thing is glitched. Sad. It's not an 80 multiplier. At least I knew I could have relied on. This. Oh god, I didn't realize my reward was over. I avoided that dodge. It's cool being in Iceland. So this is in Barcelona. Oh, frick. I didn't jump. I don't know why I had to spend that key. But anyways, I earned that key for my word hunt. So I can save. I can use it. Plus, I earned the key in one of the runs. Even though I would usually not spend keys. Because it's very important in the game. They give you extra lives, bro. I've been thinking about this new series. Saying... Okay, this is just weird. Wow. Oh, frick. That was complicated. Really, that was the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Luckily, I've seen it. Now, anyways, KDBBM's new video, he actually got to 230 million without any coin bonus. And then, I'm pretty sure he deserves 300 million. And watch his video, there's only 1,000 views on it, but only because it was uploaded today. Yeah, this is making all sense, because I started like 6 minutes into it, this tag team thing. So I just want to get this reward, but I don't think it's going to take another 10 minutes just to get to 1 million. After that, I'll show you. Tag team is expanded. It went from 2.4 million to now the tiers were 200k, 700k, 1.2 million, 1.7 million, 2.5 million, and then 3.5 million. I'm going my mission to 2.5 million right now, currently. Which was a long mission. Long. Well, at least I have a 10 plus multiplier, so I know I can rely on that for some time to give me some kind of boost. It's gonna end. One. Let's just continue. I'll go on my 1 million stroll. That's what I have to call it. Now really, this is not a waste. Daily high score is basically almost done. So, except 750 million. This is not a waste. Tech team is my second priority. Normal things is my third priority. When I got double coins. Cool, I like double coins. Did I just get this in double coins? Sad I didn't get the bag yet. Then I could have got 1 million coins. The more closer I really get, the more better it is for me. This time I did get 2x and the multiplier. So I'm going at a fast speed right now. The 80 multiplier. Now it's going to turn to 60. I don't think Iceland has ever been done before, but I think it has. And Clementine is a North Pole surfer, so Iceland and the North Pole are pretty related here. Anyways, they are close to each other, so I don't blame them. But they're kind of like... If I really wanted to finish this whole thing, I have to get 1.6 million, which is a lot. So let's just take my stroll to 1 million. So then I have 600,000 left. Just decreasing the distance. That's all my strategy is requiring me to do now. Just remove the kind of distance. Oh. Tamasha. This is doing well. Now, if I quit now, then I'll have a small difference. Then I'll still have like a 670. Well, the difference just gets smaller since there's no coin bonus. There is, though, even smaller and smaller. Right now, it just matters in what's the distance. Right now, that's gonna be the difference. There's no more coin bonus, and KDB's video proved it. But I just set the setting, but if his is not working, of course mine is not working. I'm a fan of him, but I'm not a big fan. But I am a fan. I mean, he's a good person. I mean, he's a good beast. I mean, seriously. No kidding. Basically, 619. The hundreds really don't matter. It might be like one difference of 1,000 difference because it's not exactly if 600.5k at the beginning. It'll also be like 1.66005 million. So there might be a little bit of the difference. So just realize I hit 1 million. Now we can just go and bump into a train. Wait, let me see what this is. Double coins. No bumping into train. I'm getting double coins right now. Double coins is an honor. My coins are getting doubled, which is what I want. But 10 plus multiplier, that's an advantage. Let's take it. Plus, I need to do some good thing. Progress. I'm gonna be too busy tomorrow with Super Runner. Or maybe later today, who knows. Yeah, I think I should crash. Oh man. Okay, let's just go to 1.1 million. Okay, after this 2x is over, which, since it's like 30 seconds. Oh. 101,003. Bro. Everything there was so easy to find the multiple of 5. Hey. I got something. That team is extra long. 150k. Right. You got 200, it's 150. 300, 500, 800, 1.2 million, 1.7 million. Anyways, bye.